Hello friends, 2008 Mitsubishi Lancer GTS. Today we're gonna be fixing a transmission oil leak, okay? Please remember, subscribe to the channel so we can keep making videos like this. Okay, so when we were inspecting the car, we saw that the leak was coming like from this area. You can see this plastic here was kind of all moist over here in this area. So on a further inspection, we noticed the transmission cooler, the transmission oil cooler was leaking. So let me show you here. You see, this is the transmission oil cooler right here, and it's got two lines that goes to the transmission assembly itself. So the part we're gonna be replacing is gonna be this guy right here. All right, friends. Now here you can see from this side. See, this is 1, 2, and 3 volts up here. 1, 2, 3. I hope you liked the video, it helped you somehow, and it was useful for you, okay? So remember, please give us some likes, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.